quantitative data collection, we mail questionnaires. We know nowadays we send email or SurveyMonkey or web-based questionnaire. Suppose Google form, we create the Google form and send through the email or WhatsApp or Messenger. That is called web-based questionnaire. And what is scheduled questionnaire? Did you ever hear this name, scheduled questionnaire? What is scheduled questionnaire? Anybody from you, brothers? What is scheduled questionnaire?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Please.
Schedule questionnaire, I think I write some questions format wise, and then to collect data.
Thank you, Brother Faisal Habib. But it is not like that. Scheduled questionnaire is planned when your respondents are illiterate. They are not literate. They are not educated. So if you send through the email, through the mail, they will not respond. And if it is, suppose, garment workers, they are mostly not educated. Maybe very their education up to 5 class or 8 class or 10 class. They are not really understand the questions in the questionnaire. So in that case, you have to take appointment from them. So and you will put forward the questions in front of them. What the answer they will give, you will do by yourself. You will fulfill the questionnaire by yourself by put forwarding your question to the respondents. Okay, here the respondents do not fill a questionnaire. It is happened sometimes if your respondents not educated. You got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, I got the point.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Qualitative data collection method. We have many ways to collect the qualitative data. Number one is in-depth interview. That is the major one that we use. Then focus group is the second important one. Then observation, document review. Document review means from secondary sources. Then telephone interviews. We can do face-to-face interviews and computer-assisted personal interviews. These are the way we can collect the qualitative data. Okay. You understand what is focus group? Everybody? Do you have any idea what is focus group? Brothers? Brother Atiq Hussain? I think Noakhali University, right? Atiq Hassan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Do you have any idea about what is focus group study?
Actually, not, sir.
Sir?
I am very new
in
this field, so I don't have any idea.
Okay, no problem. No problem, sir. Anybody have any idea what is focus group study?
So, as per I know, focus group is the particular group of people who we are targeting to do our researches, or the particular area we are targeting to collect our data or something like that. Maybe.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much, brother. Actually, focus group when 4 and 15 people all together, gather together and talk about any aspects, and they find they talked about the problem and how to solve that problem. What are the different factors responsible of that problem? That is called focus group study. The researcher collect their audio or videos, and after that they text it from the audio and video. Then the analysis is done. That is called focus group study. So, okay, focus group, I shall come again. I have talked about the mixed method, quantitative, qualitative. Actually, the slides has became distorted. Now, okay. What is the basic characteristic? There are actually 3 kinds of mixed method research. I have talked about the qualitative, quantitative research, and now I shall talk about the mixed method research. This is very important. Sometimes we do the mixed method, and I think it is my assumption that in the next in upcoming days, neither only a single methodology will maybe I'm not sure, maybe will not considered as a valid one. Everybody has to do the mixed method research, because mixed method research is more robust study here, because here the quantitative and qualitative both study need to be done, so that for getting robust results. So there are three kinds of mixed method. One is embedded, or you can say simultaneous mix, or you can say embedded mixed method, when the quantitative and qualitative both are study is doing simultaneously. That is called embedded mixed method research. And another is explanatory sequential mixed method. Another is exploratory sequential mixed method. Exploratory sequential mixed method means when the researcher directly go to the qualitative research first, what the results comes from the qualitative research, and based on that factors, when the researcher develop the questionnaire and they do the quantitative research, then it is called the exploratory sequential mixed method. Another one is explanatory sequential mixed method, where the you are going the quantitative study first, then what the result comes, then you go to the qualitative study. That is called explanatory sequential mixed method. If you are going for the study of mixed method, you have to mention which one you have followed. Okay, in your third chapter of your thesis, where we write the research methodology and which paradigm, which methodology you have followed. If you are following the pragmatism research philosophy and the mixed method research, then under the mixed method, which one you have to follow. You got the point? So exploratory sequential mixed method and explanatory concurrent or sequential mixed method. Okay. When concurrent, qualitative and quantitative both coming, and what the result comes, you interpret the result, then it's called embedded or concurrent sequential design. Then exploratory sequential design, when you qualitative first, what the result comes, and then you do the qualitative study, then interpret the results. Then it is called exploratory sequential design. Then explanatory sequential design, when you go to the quantitative, then what the result comes, and you go to the qualitative study, then interpret the results. That is called explanatory sequential mixed method design. Steps in the process of conducting a mixed method. Determine a mixed method study is feasible. Identify a rationale for a mixed method study. Identify the data collecting strategy and type of design. Develop quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method research questions. Then collect quantitative and qualitative data. Analyze data separately or concurrently. Then write a report as one or two phase study. As I told you, longitudinal and cross-sectional data, and this is very important.